For treating gum disease and whitening teeth. We all know that oral hygiene is extremely important for all of us. But the most important question is, do we actually use the right hygiene products? Flossing is hard and difficult process for all of us. Other products can't help us to get rid of the coffee and wine stains, etc. There are many different hygiene products, but nobody actually knows what they can do to our cavity. Many medical experts said that many different people reported problems with their teeth: gum irritation, brittle or translucent teeth, all caused by teeth whiteners. There are many reasons to get rid of all those harmful hygiene products and use all natural products, which are much safer and more effective than the commercial products. What if we tell you that you can make your own homemade paste using just all natural ingredients? And the best thing about this toothpaste is that it will work as a teeth whitener and healing remedy at the same time. Your gum and your teeth will be much healthier. The main ingredient in this homemade paste is turmeric. We can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices on the planet. It's a powerful ingredient which can provide many health benefits. Many people in the world use this spice to make different remedies for treating many different health conditions. They also use it to make their favorite foods and meals. This spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The ISP, Indian Society of Periodontology, says that this spice is an effective mouthwash which is also very useful and beneficial in people who are having problems with gingivitis. Homemade turmeric paste recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, peppermint oil, 1 teaspoon or 2 capsules turmeric powder. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix all ingredients into a thick paste. Just apply some of this turmeric paste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally do. Then you should leave it on your teeth for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, spit it out and wash it off with water. Your teeth will be shine and you will never have problems with your gum. You will be amazed by the results. Just after few days you will have beautiful and bright smile. Your friends and family will ask you for your secret. So don't wait and share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching. Reverse cavities naturally and heal tooth decay with this powerful tooth mask. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most effective homemade tooth remedies, which will help you whiten your teeth in all natural way. This homemade whitening method is very easy, safe and extremely effective. But you should also know that you need to make some lifestyle changes. You should consume foods that contain high amounts of vitamin D and vitamin K2, full fat milk, chicken cream and grass-fed butter. These foods will improve the health of your teeth. Then you should practice oil pulling in the morning for 15 minutes, 3 times per week. We also highly recommend to floss your teeth every night before you go to sleep. And make sure you avoid consuming refined white sugar and sugary stuff. These amazing homemade tooth masks are very useful and effective in removing stains from your teeth. They will whiten your teeth and might even help you with early decays. Just follow the simple instructions. Coconut oil, clove oil and turmeric tooth mask for shiny teeth. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of organic coconut oil, 2 drops of clove essential, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of sea salt, optionally. Directions. Here's what you need to do: you need to mix all the ingredients mentioned above in a small bowl. Then you should apply this mixture on your teeth. You need to brush your teeth as you normally do, and then you need to leave the mixture on your teeth for 5 more minutes. After that you need to brush your teeth with your usual toothpaste and rinse them well with warm water. Whiten your teeth with mint and baking soda. Ingredients: 1 drop of peppermint essential oil, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 drops of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of dried mint powder, optional. Directions. Here's what you need to do: you need to put all the ingredients mentioned above in a small bowl and mix them well. Now you need to apply this mixture on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. Leave the mixture on your teeth for 3 minutes, and after that you need to spit it out and brush your teeth as you always do. Activated charcoal, clay, and licorice for healthy white teeth. Some people claim that this homemade toothpaste is really amazing. You will be amazed by the results. Your teeth will be white and healthy just after 2 weeks. Use this homemade toothpaste once a week and you will be amazed by the results. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of licorice root powder, 1/2 teaspoon of activated charcoal, a pinch of food-grade bentonite clay powder, 1 drop of sweet orange essential oil, optional. Directions. Here's what you need to do: you need to put all the ingredients in a small bowl and mix them well. Then you need to apply this homemade toothpaste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. Then you need to leave it on for 3 minutes. After that you need to wash your teeth with warm water and brush them as you always do. Do these homemade tooth masks really work? Well, yes, as we said, you will be amazed by the results. Just follow the simple instructions and you are good to go. Your teeth will be whiter, and if you make some lifestyle changes you can even heal early tooth decays. Note: don't swallow the ingredients. And if you are allergic to some of these ingredients, then you shouldn't use them. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.